In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and manage Temu's saved payment methods. If you want to view your saved cards, update your payment information, or add a new payment method to your Temu account, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Temu.com website. Once the page has fully loaded, sign in to your Temu account using your login credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account where you want to manage your payment information. After signing in, look toward the top right corner of the website where you will find your profile icon. Click on the profile icon to open your account menu. Once the menu appears, you will notice several account options listed on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, slowly scroll through the menu until you find the section related to payment methods. This area is where Temu stores and manages the payment options connected to your account. Once you locate it, click on the Payment Methods option to continue. After opening the Payment Settings page, you should be able to view any payment methods that are already saved on your account. This can include debit cards, credit cards, or other supported payment options you previously used during checkout. If you want to add another payment method, look for the option that says Add a new card or something similar. Click on that option to begin entering your new payment information. Carefully type in the required details, including the card number, expiration date, and any additional information requested on the page. While entering your information, make sure everything is accurate before submitting it. Even a small mistake in the payment details can prevent the card from being added successfully. Taking an extra moment to double-check the information can help avoid future payment issues during checkout. Once all the required details have been entered correctly, click the button to save or add your card. After a few moments, the payment method should appear in your saved payment list, confirming that it has been successfully added to your Temu account. Managing your saved payment methods regularly is also a good habit, especially if you want to keep your account updated with active cards or remove payment methods you no longer use. This helps make future purchases smoother and more convenient whenever you shop on Temu. And that's basically everything you need to know about checking and managing saved payment methods on Temu using the website version. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.